Have you ever looked at a drone shot in a movie and wondered how can I get footage like that? The truth is most people are buying the wrong drone. They either overspend on features they'll never use or they buy a cheap toy that breaks in a week. After testing 17 different models this year, I've found the only 4 that are truly worth your money, and one of them, the number 1 pick, does something so intelligent it practically flies itself. Stick around, because the results might save you thousands. All the links to buy the ones we recommend are in the description below. Starting at number 1. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is the perfect choice for first-time drone pilots and aerial imaging enthusiasts. The drone has a 249g takeoff weight, so it doesn't need to be registered with the FAA, and includes built-in propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors to support safe flight. The Flip includes a remote control in its basic configuration, but it can also be controlled using a smartphone app or on aircraft controls. Camera quality is top-notch, too. The drone keeps pace with flagship smartphones, offering excellent 4K 60 video and RAW or JPG stills at your choice of 12MP or 48MP resolution. Beginners. The DJI Flip is our favorite drone for beginners. It weighs 249g, so it doesn't require FAA registration, and includes integrated propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors to help you avoid accidents. Photo and video quality are excellent. The Flip takes photos at 12MP or 48MP resolution and records stabilized 4K 60 video with 10-bit color. Photo and video experts. The Flip's camera supports the DNG photo format, so you can capture raw images and give your aerial photos a creative look in the editing room, and it has a flat D-Log-M video profile that serves as a neutral standpoint for video editors who want to be able to adjust color and exposure. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is one of the better entry-level drones available. Its camera is excellent, supporting 4K 30 video with an HDR look in either vertical or landscape orientation, as well as a 60-degree upward tilt. The photo quality is good, too. The camera supports 12MP JPG or RAW DNG snaps, while the f1.7 optics do a good job at dawn and dusk. Safety features include GPS, Find My Drone, and Return to Home. Its 249g takeoff weight means you can fly it without dealing with FAA registration. You just need to pass an online knowledge test. We also appreciate the 38-minute flight times, although we wish DJI had incorporated obstacle detection into this model. Recreational flyers. The Mini 3 weighs just 249g, so it doesn't require FAA registration, and is a good choice for drone pilots who fly for fun. Its safety features include an integrated GPS that keeps the Mini 3 steady in the air and supports a return-to-home function, although note that it omits optical avoidance. Content creators. If you want to make videos for both YouTube and TikTok, the Mini 3 is a good choice. Its 4K 30 camera switches between widescreen and vertical aspects on the fly, so you can easily grab wide and tall clips during the same flight. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 proves that DJI isn't the only brand capable of producing a good drone. The 249g quadcopter avoids registration requirements, captures high-quality video and still images, and includes the remote ID module required for professional use. It has a 4K 30 camera with a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, steady video, and snaps stills at 12MP or 48MP resolution, with a RAW DNG option available for shutterbugs. It proved reliable in testing, featuring a long-lasting 32-minute flight battery and a dedicated remote control. Beginners. The Atom 2 is a good drone for beginners. Its camera captures good-looking photos and stabilized 4K 30 video, and its price is quite attractive, especially when you remember that it includes a remote control in the box. It doesn't have obstacle avoidance, so you'll need to take some care when flying near trees or buildings, but even so, the Atom 2 is a fine choice for your first drone. Number 4. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is the drone to get if you mostly care about quick selfies and landscape videos. It's lightweight, compact, and features built-in propeller guards, making it safe to launch and land from the palm of your hand. It rolls smooth, steady 4K video, flies for about 18 minutes on a fully charged battery, and can be flown manually with either a smartphone app or a dedicated remote control, sold separately. Its video profile isn't as good as we've seen from other DJI drones, however, but it's good enough for social media, and mollified by the $199 starting price. Beginners, the tiny DJI Neo is a good drone for beginners. It includes built-in propeller guards and, if you're nervous about getting behind the controls, it basically flies itself. The drone lets you access several automated flight paths with the push of a button and takes off from and lands in the palm of your hand. It is light enough to sidestep registration, and doesn't cost much either, though you'll have to buy a remote separately if you want one. Selfie takers, the Neo's on-drone controls let you take quick selfie videos without having to open an app or connect a remote control. If you want a drone that flies itself and can spice up your social profile, the Neo is it. So there you have it, from the budget king to the ultimate professional beast. These are the 4 drones that truly dominate 2025. My question for you is, which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If this guide helped you make a decision, please like this video. It really helps the channel. Share it with anyone you know who's thinking about getting a drone, and subscribe for more straight to the point tech guides. We've got a crazy comparison coming up next week that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching.